I'm Mai Win. I live in Brentwood, California. I'm a social media influencer on Instagram. My blog is called myhealthydish.com. Healthy food is important to me because when I went to college, I put on the freshman 15, maybe 25. The only thing that helped me lose the weight was teaching myself how to cook. So I started taking nutrition classes and how food actually affected our body. Hey guys, it's Mai from My Healthy Dish, and today I'm making guacamole with peas. What inspires me to create certain recipes? It could be seasonal. Also, whatever is on sale sometimes. It's like, oh, this salmon's on sale. What can I create with this? I'll flip through magazines and I see them make some pasta. I'm like, what can I swap out to make that healthier? My daughter's names are Shayna and Kira, and they're 9 years old. Having the girls and working my own business, it's kind of nice that I could pause what I'm doing and go pick them up and take them out to lunch, come back and just pick up where I started. I'm my own girl boss, so I don't have to answer to anyone. The girls help when they want to help.
Our favorite thing about doing this is taste test. It's delicious.
So if I'm cooking and my daughter comes and she's like, can I help you cook, or do you want to be in a video? That's it, but I don't force them. It's almost sometimes that I have to force them not to be in the video because they want to work with mommy. When I meet my followers in person, I get really shy. They tell me, like, you changed my life, I didn't cook, I lost so much weight, I was borderline diabetes. Oh my God, you have to stop, you have to meet my husband. She said he lost like 50 pounds because she started cooking my recipes for him, and he was like hypertension, high blood pressure, and now he's like super healthy and super fit when I saw him. So he gave me a hug and we took a picture. It made my day, actually. What I hope to gain is just people to start cooking more. I honestly think that people just stop cooking and order in or fast food. I think that's just the age that we live in. So I try to keep my food really, really simple so they're not intimidated. I'm Mai Win. I am a Bay Area insider. Follow me on Instagram at myhealthydish_. Thanks for watching.